Hello and welcome to the third Nissan car care video we've made to guide you through some very basic checks you can perform on your Nissan while we're all currently staying at home. And today we're going to explain how to check the engine oil level. This is one of the most important checks you can do to keep your car in good order. And like all our videos, this again is a very straightforward task, but please remember you should only inspect the engine oil with the car on a level surface, with the parking brake applied, ignition off, and most importantly with the engine code. To begin, firstly we need to open the bonnet by pulling the bonnet release. Next we need to release the bonnet safety catch located under the lid. Raise the bonnet and securely install the bonnet stay. Now that we have the bonnet open, we need to locate the oil dipstick, which in this instance can be seen just here. The dipstick is normally brightly coloured as this car is, but as each model may be slightly different, you may have to refer to the vehicle's owner's manual to identify its exact correct location. Once identified, remove the dipstick fully and use a clean cloth to wipe off any existing oil. Once clean of oil, refit the dipstick, pushing it all the way down to the stopper before removing it once again to inspect the oil level. You'll note there are maximum and minimum markers on the dipstick. If the oil is anywhere between these two markers, it's okay to drive the car. However, if below the minimum marker, you shouldn't drive the car until the oil has been topped up. If the vehicle's oil needs topping up, look for the filler cap, which normally has an oil can on it. But again, if you can't find it, please refer to the owner's manual. Having located the filler, twist the cap open, but before adding oil, it's absolutely vital to ensure that you're using the correct type of oil for your car, as using the incorrect oil type can lead to difficulties. So again, you must refer to the owner's manual for this important information. If required, use a funnel and gently add the oil in small quantities. Overfilling can be just as bad for your car as underfilling, so pour slowly. You should leave time for the oil to settle in the engine before rechecking the level. But once you're happy that you've achieved the correct level between the maximum and minimum mark, ensure to replace the cap correctly and close the bonnet securely. So there you have it, the quick and simple way to inspect your engine oil level. We would advise to inspect the oil level fortnightly, and as always, don't hesitate to give your local Nissan dealer a call should you have any concerns. They'll be more than happy to help. Thanks again for watching our videos. See you the next time for our final video, and remember, stay safe, we're all in this together.